Hey everybody, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make some garlic naan from scratch. It's actually very easy and anybody can make it. So you want to first start off by putting some of that active yeast in water. The reason why you want to do this is because the active yeast is going to start to do its thing. It's going to start to bubble up and get activated, right? So you want to add a little bit of sugar to help with the activation process. You probably let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then in a bowl, you want to go ahead and add some flour. So again, you can use how much you want. It just depends on how much you're going to make. But for this recipe, of course, I used about, I'll say 3 cups in total. So once you have the flour in, you want to go ahead and add a little bit of salt. And then go ahead and mix that mixture up. And once it's done mixing, you want to now go ahead and add that yeast mixture. And you can tell the yeast is bubbling, which means it's activated. So then you want to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a little bit of yogurt. Yogurt is actually the secret to this, to getting it very soft and tender like they do in the restaurants. So now you want to mix it on low for about 5 minutes. And once it's done, this is how it should look. It should look very bouncy, but not too sticky. This is how it should look. If it's too sticky, then you should probably add a little bit more flour. Now we want to let it rise for about an hour. And once it's rise, it should be twice its size. Then you want to put it in a floured mat and go ahead and ball it up. So this mixture makes about 8 rolls, 8 naan bread. So again, if you're making it for a lot more people, you'll probably have to double the recipe. So it just depends on how much you're making, right? But this made about 8. If you wanted to make it a little smaller, you can make it to 10 if you want. But it all depends on how big you make the dough balls. So now you want to start off by rolling it. And again, make sure you have enough flour, okay? Because you see there, it easily gets stick. It can easily stick to the roller. So you want to make sure you have enough flour on the roller and on the dough. So you want to go ahead and roll it out as much as you can until it gets that flatness. Now on a pan, on a skillet, you want to go ahead and add a little bit of oil and then put the naan bread on for about a minute on each side and then flip it over. And this is how it should look. It should have that golden brown crust. Now you can go ahead and add some of that garlic butter on top of it. So I added a little bit of parsley on top as well to add that color. And yeah, and also you can make this with tikka masala. I made some tikka masala earlier, so you can add it with it. And yeah, thank y'all for watching.